Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Snowflake interview questions and answers part 3. Here is the scenario. Use role account admin, create warehouse, warehouse name, warehouse size, max cluster count equal to 4, min cluster count equal to 5. The question is here, what is the problem with the above create warehouse command? The answer is maximum cluster count of warehouse 12 cannot be lower than minimum cluster count. That means when you are going to create a warehouse with multi-cluster option like maximum cluster count and min cluster count, always you have to give the min cluster count value less than max cluster count. The next scenario, create or replace warehouse 1 to warehouse size x small, max underscore cluster underscore count equal to 12, min underscore cluster underscore count equal to 2. The question is here, what is the problem with above create warehouse command? The answer is maximum number of clusters for warehouse 1 to exceeded, requested 12 and limit is 10. So while creating any warehouse in Snowflake, you have to provide the max cluster count is maximum 10 only. More than that you cannot create. The next scenario, create or replace warehouse 1 to warehouse size x small, max underscore cluster underscore count equal to 10, min underscore cluster underscore count equal to 0. So the question is here, what is the problem with the above create warehouse command? Please note that this is the cursor, it's not syntactical error. There is no syntactical error. So the answer is SQL compilation error, invalid value 0. Invalid value 0 for property min cluster count. That means when you are going to create a virtual warehouse in Snowflake, you have to use the greater than 1 at least. Min cluster count, here in this case you have to use the min cluster count greater than 1, less than or equal to 10. Another scenario, select try to boolean f, try to boolean not a boolean. Question is here, what is the output of above query? The output would be the answer. Select try to boolean f is the false and try to boolean not a boolean is the string. So for that is a null. Why? F is a valid boolean when you convert the string f. So by using the try to boolean function, conversion function, so it will give the false. Similar way, try to boolean with some other string, not a boolean, is not a actual boolean data type. Hence, try to boolean function returned null value instead of error. Please note that any try with conversion function always return null value if the actual given value not possible to convert into data type. The question 5, what is the Snowflake integration and types? The answer is, an integration is a Snowflake object that provides an interface between Snowflake and third-party services. Please note that if you are going to use any third-party services like Lambda functions or Azure functions, or if you want to use any other services, then you have to create a integration in the Snowflake. With that integration, you can interact with the third-party services. And in integration types in Snowflake, there are 4 types of integration types are there. The first one is the API integration, where you can execute external functions, And the second one is the notification integration, where while creating the, you know, while loading the data by using the snowpipe command, we can create a notifications, so that snowpipe will automatically load the file whenever the file arrived in the either S3 bucket or Azure Blob Storage or GCP. And third one is the security integration. This security integration will create, you know, enabling the SSO kind of features. And storage integration, the fourth one is the storage. Generally, to load any data from the file, from the flat file into Snowflake from any any storage like S3 or S3, Azure or GCP, we can, by using the external stage, we can directly load the data. Before creating external stage, we can also create the storage integration type, that this storage integration can be used while creating the stage inside the Snowflake. That's all. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the notifications. Please share it and like it. Thank you once again for watching my video.